Hello children, how are you all? Fine? That's great. So today we have health education class. Okay. So in our health education class we are going to do interesting activities, that is no fire cooking activities. So we are going to make chapati rolls. Okay. So already you all know how to do spreading activity on chapati, is it not? So today we will do the same spreading activity on chapati, and how we will learn how to roll it to make the chapati rolls. Okay. Then in Hindi we are going to do revision. So we have finished all the letters, we have finished learning all the letters, is it not? So from K to Y. Okay, so we are going to revise those letters by writing as well as by filling up the blanks. Okay, so today we are going to revise the rhyme A se anar. Okay, we are going to say the letter rhymes. Okay, A se anar. Okay, and what is the fun activity? So you have to video record your no fire cooking activity, that is making chapati rolls. Okay children, so don't forget to video record it and send to me. Okay, come let us practice the rhymes A se anar. Hindi rhymes A se anar. Are you all ready children? Okay. A se anar, anar. A se anar, anar. A se am, am. A se am, am. I se imali, imali. I se imali, imali. I se ik, ik. U se ullu, ullu. U se ullu, ullu. U se un, un. U se un, un. R se rishi, rishi. R se rishi, rishi. A se adi, adi. A se adi, adi. I say ainak, ainak. I say ainak, ainak. O se okali, okali. O se okali, okali. Au se aurat, aurat. Au se aurat, aurat. Ang se angur, angur. Ang se angur, angur. Aha se aha, aha. Okay children, practice this rhymes nicely. Don't forget to video record it and send to me. Okay. So today we are going to revise the Hindi letters K to Y. Okay. So first one is K. You have to trace the letter K. K. Say loudly while writing. Okay. K. K. G. G. Ng. Okay, you have to keep a dot. K, g, ng. Ch, j, j, nya. D, D, ण, T, T, D, D, ण, T, T, D, ध, न, त, थ, द, द, न, प, फ, ब, भ, म, प, फ, ब, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, य, र, ल, व, श, श, इश, शलगम का इश, इश, स, ह, ह, ish, sa, ha. And last line, this is iksha, iksha, tra, tra, shra, shra, and the last one is gya, gya. Okay children, so now you have to trace as well as write in this page. Okay, keep your finger here, one finger in the first letter, and you write this one, ka, ka. Next is ka, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Okay, nga. Next is cha, 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 ja, jha, nya, nya, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Keep your finger in the third line. Ta, ta, da, dha, na. Next fourth line, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next is pa, fa, pa, fa, ba, ba, bha, bha, ma. Okay, next line, ya, ra, la, va, sha. Okay, ish, sa, ha, ish, sa, ha. And last line, iksha. What is this? Iksha, tra. Okay, and shra, shra, and last letter is gya. Okay, so you have to fill the letters as well as trace it. Okay, okay children, do it nicely. So today we are going to make chapati rolls. Okay children, so this dish is a no fire cooking dish. Okay, so we are not going to use fire, is it not? So without using fire we are going to make a yummy and a delicious dish, that is chapati rolls. For this we need chapatis, okay, cooked chapatis, okay, and see, this is chapati. So this is freshly made chapati. And then what is the next one? This is a coriander, okay, and next we need finely chopped carrot, okay, we need finely chopped carrot. And then curd. What is this? A curd. See, a nice curd. It is not a liquid. See, this curd is in a solid condition, so it will blend nicely, okay. And the next one is sauce, tomato sauce, okay. This tomato sauce is used for giving a tangy taste, okay, tangy taste. And then we need onions, okay, this is onion, finely chopped onion. And finally we need tomatoes, okay, tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes. And apart from that we need pepper, salt and chaat masala, okay, pepper, salt and chaat masala. Okay children, so now we will start how to make this chapati rolls, okay. Keep this chapati on a flat surface, okay, and first you have to apply this sauce, okay, tomato sauce. I am going to spread this tomato sauce on this chapati, okay. So spread this sauce will give us a tangy taste. Mix onion, okay. Have to mix all these ingredients in a mixing bowl, okay. You should have a nice mixture of all these ingredients, okay. So tomato and this one already we have put, and this is carrot, and I am going to add this finely chopped carrot. And then finally I am going to add this coriander, okay, and coriander also I have added, okay children. And finally I am going to add this curd. See how nice this curd looks. So you have to see this curd, how nice it looks, is it not? So I am going to put this curd in this mixture. So I am going to add 2 spoons of this nice curd, okay. After that you have to mix it well, okay, you have to mix it well. And finally you have to put some pepper, sprinkle some pepper and salt, okay. We need salt, is it not? Okay, salt and chaat masala, okay, we need chaat masala. So adding this chaat masala, the taste will increase, okay children. Now again mix it well, mix it nicely. Now the mixture is ready. So now I am going to add this mixture inside this chapati, okay. You have to add this mixture So you have to add this in one side, okay, and spread it like this. So you have to spread it like this. So we are not using chilies. So if anybody wants to add chili, you can add it, because it will be very hot, is it not? So I am not adding chilies. And then now we are going to roll it. Okay, children? So now I am going to roll like this. Okay? Roll it, roll it, roll it, then roll it, and then roll it. So you have to remove this excess mixture, okay, and roll it. See, now this roll is ready, is it not? So now this roll is ready, so you can cut it. Cut it nicely. Okay, children, see how nice it looks, is it not? See, this is chapati rolls. Okay, so you have to arrange this chapati rolls nicely, and you can serve this to all at home. Okay, see how nice this looks, is it not? So this is chapati rolls. Now the chapati rolls are ready. Okay, you make this and taste it, and you do it and video record it and send to me, and after tasting tell me how it is. Okay.